Hello internet marketers, thanks for checking out another video from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you guys how to build backlinks to your websites for free. So you got your on-page SEO, you got your title, you got your keywords, you got quality content. Now how do you build those backlinks to get traffic to your site? By increasing your search engine rankings. If you don't have a whole lot of money to spend on professional SEO services or fancy SEO tools, you can actually do all of your link building, which is considered offsite SEO. You can do this yourself. It's easy. It does take a little bit of time, but you're going to build some quality backlink traffic, and you're going to get organic visitors from those backlinks as well. Quality backlinks is going to get you further than a bunch of random backlinks. So here's how to do this. So method number one is called blog commenting, and a lot of people think the first thing in their minds is spamming. Well, this is definitely not a spamming method. It's a high quality blog commenting method. So you go to Google, you type in your keyword, let's say web hosting, and then you type in with quotes, leave a comment, and it's going to show you a bunch of blogs where you can leave a comment at. So let me show you an example here. So this is the first page and ranking position number 1, winningagent.com, and it talks about web hosting. So let's check out the site. So here's the site, Winning Agent, and you can see it has 5 comments, and at the bottom you can see some replies, some comments, and here's an example comment. He just write a simple comment praising this post, and here's his backlink, as you can see here, 10hostings.com. And these are all recent comments. Today is November 1st, 2018. And you can see this is September 3rd, 2018, September 27th, 2018. And here's a website link right here to his website. And he left a simple comment as well. If you're a blogger, you know that comment is pretty valuable. It shows that a post is popular, it gets a lot of comments. So bloggers, the people that create these posts, actually enjoy reading the comments, or at least I hope at least most of them enjoy reading the comments and replying to people reading and replying to the comments. So it's a good thing for everybody. It's a win-win for the commenter and for the bloggers. And as a commenter, you get to leave your website. Here's another one. Just a simple one-line, one-sentence comment, and here's his website. And now you get a quality backlink, which is relevant to the content, which is a lot better than some random backlink at a non-relevant website. And you also get a bunch of readers. Since this is a high-ranking website, you get a bunch of organic readers, and then they will read the comments, and they'll read your comment. If it's actually something usable and quality comment, the people will check out your website. So you get visitors there as well, and as well as the backlink. So it's a win-win. So do not think that blog commenting is all about spam. It's actually a very high quality link building strategy if you use it correctly. It does take a little bit of time, but it's well worth it. Okay, now let's go over to strategy number 2 for link building. It's free and it's easy. So here's a YouTube video, one of my YouTube videos, and if you click on share, you will see some of the top social networking links you can share to. And I have a suspicion that YouTube or Google in general value these social networking sites more than any others. That's why these are here. and you can get backlinks from any of these sites for free. So you don't have to build backlinks to just your YouTube videos, but you can see this as a list high priority social networking sites you must build links at. For example, here's one of my website posts. Here is my social networking buttons. You can get these for free with a plugin, a social sharing plugin, and then you can go and actually just click on these so you can share to your accounts at these social networking sites. And again, you can focus on just these top priority ones, and there's actually many more social networking sites you can share your links at. And there's no reason not to get free backlinks from high authority sites like these. Okay, let's go to strategy number 3. It's called forum marketing, and basically, so you type in your keyword, so internet marketing or whatever keyword, web hosting, SEO, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, forum, doesn't matter. So you type in your keyword and then forum, and it's going to give you a list of top ranking forums. And of course, the higher the ranking, the higher the priority, you should build those backlinks. So here's an example of why forum marketing is so powerful. So at forums, people are either asking questions or posting just topics about whatever the subject matter is. So word forum is internet marketing. So this user here is posting about branding, and here's a reply from another user, and you can see his signature here. He has links to his website, and what's valuable is he makes a very constructive quality reply to this user's question, and then other people reading this, and including the user himself, will read it and see that this guy is making quality and is helping other people out. They're gonna want to check out the websites from Daniel Evans here. So this will give him organic traffic and backlinks, which is a quality backlinks because it's relevant in the forum relating to his niche. So he's got 3,327 posts with his backlinks. That's like having 3,327 backlinks, and his posts are probably being seen hundreds and maybe thousands of times a week, or maybe even per day, and their potential for people to click on. So he's getting free traffic, free backlinks. It's a win-win, and of course it took him a lot of time since 2011 to create all these posts, but you just do a few here and there and you become an authority. You help people out, get backlinks and traffic. So it's definitely worthwhile. And again, this is a free high quality backlink building strategies, and I hope this helps. I hope this gives you guys some ideas about link building. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to How to Webmaster for more internet marketing tips and tricks. Thanks again, and happy backlink building.